Welcome back, everyone. We have been able to look at attendance in the previous video, and we have seen how we can add attendance as an admin for staff and for students as well. For this tutorial, we will look at Psychomotor, which is one of the learning domain in education. So how do a student or people participate in the physical activity during learning? So proceed to the side menu bar and click on Psychomotor and choose the affective domain. It will now bring us to the interface where we have the student list, and as usual the student will be filtered by classes, by section. This shift is default for morning or afternoon, and by also session. So we have student under JSS 1A, so let's proceed and get the list of students which we can input their details for this domain. So click on get list. You can see these are the list of students under JSS 1, JSS 1A in particular. So we have view, edit, and delete. So to add details for any of these students, you can click on the view icon. So let me add a detail for John Cholan, which is the last student here. So let me click on view, and this will display a page that contains details of this particular student, where we can input values for any of this Psychomotor and affective domain. So you can see this is Jan Cholam, it's a female. This is the reg number, the card or roll number belong to JSS 1A. So you can see at the beginning of the term, the admin can input the weight of the student. Let's say this student has a 45 kg of weight, and because of too much reading, that's reduced to 42 kg at the end of the term. Let's say school resumes January 7th next day. So here is the affective domain. So each of this input has value. The higher the value, the neater or the higher the domain. So let's say for neatness now, if you click on the drop down, if the student is very neat, you should have a value of 5. If the student is poorly neat, you should have a value of what? Of 1. So let's say this has 4 for neatness, 5 for punctuality, 3 for reliability, 2 or 3 for politeness, 1 for honesty, 5 for self-control, 4 for cooperation, 4 for attentiveness, 3 for initiative, 1 for organization ability, 2 for perseverance, 1 for flexibility. And then down here is the Psychomotor domain. Let's say how is the rating is 4. Let's say how does it participate in sport, 2. Creativity, 3. Handling of tools, let's say 4. Dexterity, let's say is 1. Note copying, is a good person, copy note well, 5. And we can proceed and submit this. So this will bring us back to the list, right? So we can as well input data for other classes by choosing the class name here and click on get the class list to input details that's under Psychomotor. So this is it for Psychomotor. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.